Hi, so this link is going to go through the example and go step by step so you can see the steps to find the magnitude, the direction, change that direction into a bearing, and change that direction also into a map bearing. So first, with the magnitude, if we have a vector 3, -5, in order to find the magnitude, we have to take the square root of 3 squared plus -5 squared, which equals the square root of 9 plus 25, which equals the square root of 34. So that is our magnitude. Okay, that's easy enough. To find the direction, we have to draw it. So if I make my coordinate plane here, it goes over 3, it goes down 5, so it would look like that. And our direction angle would be this angle here, right? But in order to find that, we do the tangent inverse. So the tangent inverse of y over x, so 5 over 3, go to our trusty dusty calculator, and we do function tangent inverse of 5 over 3, and we get 59 degrees. So take that down. This is 59 degrees, but that is not that direction. The 59 degrees is the reference angle. So 59 degrees is here. So since that's 59 degrees, this angle would be 360 minus 59, which would be 360 minus 59 degrees, which is 301 degrees. All right, so that is our direction. Now let's change that direction into a bearing. Remember, bearings start, let's take blue. Bearings start at the vertical and go clockwise. So how far did it go in that direction? Well, this first quadrant gives it 90 degrees. We already said that's 59 degrees, so the bearing is 90 plus 59, which is 149 degrees. Okay, and finally, a map bearing. Let's go back to blick. A map bearing would take into account that this is north, south, east, and west. And so this comes off of the east. We can either come off of the east or come off of the south. We can say that it is 59 degrees south of east, or we could say that it is, what is 90 minus 59? That is 31. 31 degrees east of south. Either one of those would be a map bearing. All right? That's what I want you to do for each of the following 4 problems. I want you to find the magnitude, the direction, change that direction to a bearing so it'll come off of the vertical, and then change that bearing to a map bearing. And if you submit this back to the team's website, it will go in as extra credit. Thank you.